For anybody wondering how to change the oil on a 2022 Nissan 1.5, this is the oil dipstick, but that's obvious. And the other dipstick right here is a transmission dipstick, but I think you need to stick something in it to unlock it because it's locked. Anyway, so I changed the first oil at the dealer, right? And then when I take the pan out from the cover, the shield, when I take it out, I'm like, okay, this is my first time. I have no idea. I know the filter is gonna be here. So, why is it wet? It shouldn't be wet. Anyway, the filter should be here, right? So logically, the drain plug, which I had no idea which one it was, because you have one drain plug here, and this does look like an oil pan, but I know this is a transmission, so I don't know what's with that. This is also another drain plug, and then I noticed a drain plug here. So what I did, I unscrewed it a little bit and get like a dip of it, and then I went to the dipstick and I compared the color and the smell. So this way I know that is the same type of liquid. So this is the drain plug right here, not this one and not this one. And just to tell you something, the first oil change I did it at the dealer, and I found it wet here, like oily here, which means they didn't even bother to clean it, which means those idiots thought this, not everybody's an idiot, but you know, it's Nissan dealer, you're supposed to know what you're doing. They tried to drain this one, and then they were like, oh, this doesn't look like oil, let me put it back. But they didn't even, I cleaned it, but it was like this, with dust on it, with dirt. When you leave this kind of oil, it catches dirt. So if you do a stupid job, you should at least wipe it. So the next guy is not gonna see what you did. So it's not this one, it's not this one. This is the oil drain plug. There's a filter, and I couldn't find the original filter. I didn't bother actually, but this one fits perfectly. 6607. There's other Fram types, cheaper, like PH or anything that's Fram, and 6607 should fit just fine. It's a little bit smaller than the original, like this much smaller, but I put it side to side and I compared that the lip is the same, and then when I screwed it in, it screwed perfectly fine. So you can use this one. And I'm always using full synthetic 0W20 for all the cars I had.